we divide 224 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 2 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down this number beside, that is 4, and we remove this 0, and 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 0. So 224 divided by 2 we get 112. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.